I do not know how long I sat peering down that well. It was not for some time that I could succeed in persuading myself that the thing I had seen was human, but gradually the truth dawned on me that men had not remained one species but had differentiated into two distinct animals, that my graceful children of the upper world were not the sole descendants of our generation, but that this bleached, obscene, nocturnal thing which had flashed before me was also heir to all the ages. Plainly, this second species of man was subterranean. There were three circumstances in particular which made me think that its rare emergence above ground was the outcome of a long continued underground habit. In the first place, there was the bleached look common in most animals that live largely in the dark. The white fish of the Kentucky caves, for instance, then those large eyes with that capacity for reflecting light are common features of nocturnal things. Witness the owl and the cat. And last of all, that evident confusion in the sunshine, that hasty yet fumbling awkward flight towards dark shadow, and that peculiar carriage of the head while in the light, all reinforce the theory of an extreme sensitiveness of the retina. Beneath my feet, then the earth must be tunneled enormously, and these tunnelings were the habitat of the new race. The presence of ventilating shafts and wells along the hill slopes everywhere, in fact, except along the river valley, showed how universal were its ramifications. What so natural then is to assume that it was in this artificial underworld that such work as was necessary to the comfort of the daylight race was done? At first, proceeding from the problems of our own age, it seemed clear as daylight to me that the gradual widening of the present merely temporary and social difference between the capitalist and the laborer was the key to the whole position. No doubt it will seem grotesque enough to you and wildly incredible, and yet, even now, there are existing circumstances to point that way. There is a tendency to utilize underground space for the less ornamental purposes of civilization. Evidently, I thought this tendency had increased till industry had gradually lost its birthright in the sky.